Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for January. This month's theme is Glow Your Soul. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features a pastel purple velvet material with round iridescent sequins. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Radiance Glow and Protect Serum, Verify 2020 Eye Cream, Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask, Lucky Chick Daydreams Eyeshadow Palette, and the Oryza Beaute Sunkissed Baked Opaline Highlighter. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray, Glowrecipe Watermelon Glow Niacinimide Sunscreen, Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color, Rodial XXL Mascara, and the Context Dual Lip Pencil. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Radiance Glow and Protect Serum. The packaging is 100% recycled aluminum. This superfruit serum contains antioxidants to help brighten an even skin tone. It's given a really nice glow to my skin. After that, I'm trying the Verify 2020 Eye Cream. This claims to firm and smooth the eye area with the power of peptides. I have the full-sized version of this, and I've used it on and off for a while now, but honestly, I haven't noticed much change. Next, I'm testing out the Glowrecipe Watermelon Glow Niacinimide Sunscreen. This SPF 50 lotion has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. It's just what I needed to complete my Watermelon Glow collection. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. I love lip masks, and this one just so happens to smell like berries. I absolutely love how it feels. It's very nourishing. Now let's take a look at the Lucky Chick Daydreams Eyeshadow Palette. This 9-pan palette retails for $20. Let's swatch it. It features a range of shades and finishes from neutrals to stunning metallic toppers. First, I'm picking up the matte warm brown shade called Promising. I'm applying this to my crease. Next, I'm dipping into the matte cool brown shade called Confident. I'm adding this to the outer V. After that, I'm taking the shimmery shade called Peace. I'm sweeping this across the lid. Finally, I'm grabbing the metallic topper called Charmed. I'm tapping that onto the center of the lid. It gives the whole look an extra pop. After that, we have the Oryza Sunkissed Baked Opaline Highlighter. This is such a cute size. Let's swatch it. It has a warm white gold hue. The formula is pretty dry, but the color is quite flattering. Now let's test out the Rodial XXL Mascara. The applicator is a medium size and looks pretty standard. This is performing a lot better than I expected. It's coating my lashes all over, and the formula is very black as well. Finally, I'm applying the Context Dual Lip Pencil. This dual-ended lip liner features two neutral shades. Here's a quick swatch. I'm using the darker shade called Desert Plains to outline my lips, and then I'm using the lighter shade called Starbreaker to fill in the center. Here's the finished look using products from both the January Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.